Madanruan villages. Mayralborn Syiem, the MLA of Nongpoh and a former Congress member now with the UDP, reacted to the recent merger of 3 Congress MLAs with the NPP by taking a neutral stance. He explained that since he is no longer affiliated with the Congress party, he cannot comment on the internal dynamics or decisions of the party. Syiem highlighted that switching political allegiances is common in Meghalaya's history, where coalition governments have been the norm since the 1970s, while he refrained from criticizing or supporting the MLA's decision.
As a legislator from one of the regional party in the state, I have nothing to say against or for this action.